Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2018 Toyota Highlander. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, automatic temperature control, lane departure warning, blind spot sensor, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.